Hello, good evening. Yeah, something a little bit different this week. So it's not going to be push bike related or car related or anything like that. It's just going to be a video talking about the last month basically. So it is the 20th of February today, which means yesterday marks the sort of 1 month anniversary of starting this channel. So I'll post in a clip. It's currently Friday, the 17th of January. Currently 0 subscribers on YouTube. And now I think we are up to around 70. Yeah, just wanted to make this video, give a chance to say thanks to everyone for your support and tuning in this far. And then maybe I'll make another one in 6 months time and then another in a year, just to sort of see how far we've come as a channel. And yeah, just be interesting to look. And obviously for those of you that aren't on YouTube, you might not know sort of what it looks like for someone that's creating videos and the sort of analytics that you get on the YouTube app. So what I'm going to do is just open up the laptop and just go through some of the stats. I mean, I'm not that into views or anything like that, but I just think maybe it's quite interesting for some people that might just be interested to see sort of what a YouTube channel might look like after a month of posting videos. So I'll just get the laptop open. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this and switch to a screen recording and just go through all the sort of stats that I've got on this channel. So yeah, as I mentioned, this time last month basically I had 0 subscribers, and now you can see that I've got 71. So in the last 28 days I have gained 56 followers. So overall through all of my videos I've got 6.6 thousand views, which equates to 146.5 watched hours. So I don't think you can't monetize your videos until you're at about 4,000 watched hours and you've got 1,000 subscribers. So we're a long way off that, but that's not the reason I'm doing it. So see view analytics here, just see an overview of what it's given us. So maybe this is live then. So my channel so far has had 6,803 views and the watch time of 158.9 hours, which, to be fair, in 1 month, there's quite a lot of hours watched. I mean, quite a lot of time for people just to sit listening to me. So, yeah, definitely my most successful video is this gravel bike conversion video, which is 5 minutes and 55 long, I think. So if we just click on that, so it's 3.3 thousand views, and the watch time on that video is 97 hours, and I gained 29 followers from that video. So YouTube's obviously decided to push this video, so it says YouTube recommendations, YouTube homepage, and also YouTube up next. So 77.6% was just on the YouTube home, which is quite interesting to see that, you know, the video would have been featured on people's homepage when they clicked on the video. Obviously, from my perspective, is that I'm always sort of, I've only ever seen YouTube from a viewer's perspective. So you sort of click on YouTube, and sometimes you can just sort of rely on what YouTube's showing you. So just goes to show, if YouTube is pushing your content, then the views just soon rack up. So just recommendations is 3,000 views. So yeah, unless YouTube's pushing your videos, by the looks of it, they don't really get seen. So then the next best one is a reel that I put up, which is just a simple reel of me taking out a roll of film and putting another roll back in, and that's had 922 views. Yeah, so the next few, so 2, 3 and 4 and 5 are all, it's not a reel, is it? It's a YouTube short. And then the next video down from that is me and my bike on 255. So here we go. So if you go on to audience, it gives you sort of information on who's viewing it. So 32.6% of people are watching it on a computer, and 30.9% of people are watching it on a mobile phone. So that just gives you an indication. And then if you look on watch time from subscribers, you've got 98.4% aren't subscribed, and only 1.6 of the viewers on that video are subscribed. So yeah, I mean, I'm guilty of this I mean, most of the videos that I watch, I'm probably not even subscribed to them, so I can understand that. And then if you go on the geographies as well, so 21.1% of viewers on that video is from the United States, and then it's UK, Germany, Australia, Philippines, Indonesia, Canada, Poland, Singapore, Spain, Sweden, Portugal, which is pretty crazy. I think when you're initially putting out these videos, you just assume that it's just going to be people in your hometown looking at them. So viewer age 25 to 34, so that's my age bracket, 35 to 44, then 45 to 54, and then 55 to 64. No one under the age of 25 is watching my videos, which is fine by me. So my videos now, so I've posted up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos in the last month. The shortest one being 5 minutes 55 and the longest one being 25 minutes 33. But yeah, the views, I mean, that top video there has only been out for 1 day. I uploaded that yesterday on Wednesday. So that's at 50 views already in just over 24 hours. And then, yeah, you can see the jump, 50, 77, 178, 132, 3,293. They've all got 100% of likes. And then if you go over to the one, which is understandable, the gravel bike conversion one, it's got 91 likes and 3 dislikes. So whoever's disliked that, thank you very much. I don't like you either. But yeah, cheers. One way to support a new YouTube channel, but it's fine. You can't see who it is. Generally, really, really good sort of feedback so far, even off your friends that, you know, you might think would laugh at you for talking to a camera by yourself. But no, actually really positive feedback, and people seem to be pretty for the idea, and they've enjoyed sort of watching what they've seen so far. So we'll go back to the analytics. Yeah, so based on a 10-minute video, I got 175 views on that video, which is 6.1 watched hours. So I've gained 1 subscriber from that, so that's fine. And it looks like YouTube's recommended that video a little bit as well. So 78.9% is on YouTube recommendations. And then if you go on see all, traffic source. But yeah, if you look, so a 10-minute video, it's got 175 views, but the average view duration is 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So it just goes to show that people aren't that invested. Just get sort of a couple of minutes in and get bored or whatever. Me and my bike, I think that was one of the second most viewed video. So even on that video, which is this video, which is just under 20 minutes, it's got 256 views, and that's 16 watched hours. And if you click on traffic source, you can see the average watch duration is 3 minutes 44. So I'm either really boring or the content's not actually that exciting for a lot of people, which is fine. I'm just sort of finding my feet at the moment and seeing what people like, and also just getting used to talking to the camera, which is, yeah, definitely something that's a little bit weird. But 49% of viewers are still watching around the 30-second mark, which is typical. Okay, so yeah, not going to go into it too much. I mean, so as I've sort of said in my other videos, the push bike content will be aimed to be released on Sundays. Definitely going to stick to the push bike tutorials. It's what I've done for a job for the last sort of 10 years, and it's what I know best. So definitely think there's room for sharing advice and tips, but I do understand that I think the how-tos are going to be sort of like slow burner, so they're things that are going to get watched by people gradually over time. That everyone's not looking for how-tos right this minute, but I think over the long course of time, you might find that these videos are becoming like useful to people, so more people start tuning in, and the views will gradually just go up. I'll stick to the how-tos, and then I think the bike stuff will gradually progress into more sort of riding videos and doing little fun activities on the bike. And then the Wednesday content's probably going to stick to like cars, motorbikes, any sort of projects that I've got on at the time, or if I'm doing anything with photography. And also one thing that I do want to start doing again, which I think I might start filming, is drawing. So for any of you that have known me for, well, you'd probably be over 10 years now. I don't think I've drawn for a long time, but yeah, I used to do a lot of drawing when I was younger, and I would like to get back into that. And now I've got a bit of a platform to share things like that. I think it'd be interesting to get back into it, pick up the pencil again, and yeah, put some of that content out just for myself, just to see if I can still do it. Yeah, I've got quite a lot of ideas, but at the moment the channel is just still progressing and finding where it's going to go. But yeah, definitely stick around. I think some of the content's going to be quite fun and interesting. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed already, then yeah, please do. And hopefully just seeing sort of what a YouTube channel might look after a month is quite interesting. So yeah, if we go back to my channel, we are 1 month in, 71 subscribers. So that is 71 up from this time last month. And I'm going to do another one of these videos in 6 months' time. And yeah, really interested to see how this channel looks like in 6 months' time. But yeah, I think that's everything for now. So yeah, if you've been watching my videos and you like them, then yeah, please do just give them a thumbs up on every video. I think that's going to be it for now, just a nice quick one. And then next Sunday we'll be back onto the push bike how-tos. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you very much. See you next week.